Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the Dell S2422HG and what are the best settings that you can get for your monitor. So try to go with the brightness 75 to 85, contrast 75 to 85, sharpness 50, go response time if you can change it to super fast or extreme, overdrive on, preset more custom color. Now you can have red go 100, green 97, blue 94. So this is like the setup that you can have. Picture setting RGB, gamma 2.2, hue 50, saturation 50, dynamic contrast off, uniformity compensation off, adaptive sync on. And then what you want to do is have a gain mode on, response time extreme, and refresh rate set to maximum supported by the monitor, and adaptive sync also on. So this is something that you can change and have, and maybe it's going to actually like help you. I hope it does. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.